today I'm going to be showing you a tutorial on how to do this look. So stay tuned to see how I do it. I take my angled brush like that, make sure it's nice and flat with my product on, and I'm going to apply. I was in Ulta and I thought I got a regular white base, but then when I got home and I like applied it, it was all glittery and I was like, what? So I have a glitter base, a glitter white base in the shade White Pearl from NYX. So I'm going to be using that today. Alexis Stone palette, I'm gonna be applying this hot pink color right here. I'm using my angle tip brush right here. I'm going to apply it right here on the outer corner first and then bring it in.
A little bit up, but I don't want to get into it, just like on the outer right here, just a little bit up so it can blend when I add my other color to blend it out.
Okay, so now that we created the line with the glitter and stuff, I'm going to be going in with my concealer, finishing the rest of the crease. Just cleaning it up for the line. So after I add the brown in, I'm gonna go back in with my white base to finish out the crease. I don't want to apply it all the way in, just a little bit.
The hot pink shade I used earlier and just pack on again. On the outer of my eye.
Be applying some setting powder to my concealer that I applied right here. Because I want it to be matte. Well, not really matte, but like not too much of the shine to take away the shine of the glitter that's on top.
And then I go in like very thin. It's just your preference of how you like to apply eyeliner. And then from the line that's like my line right here, I'm gonna go up from it, my waterline, I guess that's what it is.
Okay, so before I do anything else, I'm going to apply the highlight to the inner corner of my eye to apply a gold shade. Again. Okay, so after I finish doing my mascara and the lower lash strip, I think I'm going to be adding, I like to have a cat eye kind of, so I add a point to the middle of my eye. Okay, so after applying my cat eye, I'm going to be applying my lashes. Okay, so I just applied my lashes and it's time for the final step, which is bedazzlement, okay? Okay, so this is the final look of this pink look. If you guys like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos by me, please don't forget to subscribe if you aren't subscribed already. I also have a beauty page on Instagram, so I will put that in the description box below. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!